Welcome to a deep dive into one of the most enigmatic regions of our planet, the Bermuda Triangle. Defined by points in Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this area has garnered a notorious reputation for the mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft over the decades. Legends abound, filled with accounts of paranormal activity, extraterrestrial involvement, and supernatural forces. But what does science truly have to say about these enduring mysteries? Today, we will explore the scientific explanations behind the phenomena of the Bermuda Triangle, peeling back layers of myth and sensationalism to uncover the truth that lies beneath this captivating region. A truth that, while sometimes shocking, is grounded in the realities of nature and human experience. The Bermuda Triangle, often referred to as the Devil's Triangle, has become a focal point for speculation and conspiracy theories. The legends began to take shape in the early 20th century, as reports of vessels vanishing without a trace emerged in newspapers and public consciousness. One of the most infamous incidents occurred in December 1945, when Flight 19, a group of 5 Navy bombers, vanished during a routine training flight over the Triangle. Despite extensive search efforts involving planes, ships, and even submarines, no wreckage was ever found. This incident sparked an array of theories and fueled public fascination about what might have happened. Over the years, other incidents have contributed to the Triangle's mystique. The disappearance of the USS Cyclops, a Navy cargo ship with over 300 men aboard in 1918, and the mysterious fate of the SS Marine Sulphur Queen in 1963, both added to a narrative filled with intrigue and fear. These stories often include elements of drama, ghost ships, mysterious lights in the sky, and even accounts of time warps and alternate dimensions that have captivated audiences worldwide. As we sift through these compelling tales, it's important to recognize the broader cultural implications. The Bermuda Triangle serves as a canvas for our fears and fascinations about the unknown, reflecting humanity's enduring struggle with the mysteries of nature. So, what scientific explanations can account for the numerous disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle? One of the most significant factors is the region's unique environmental conditions. The Bermuda Triangle is home to the Gulf Stream, a powerful ocean current that flows from the Gulf of Mexico into the Atlantic. This current can reach impressive speeds of up to 5 knots, quickly carrying debris away from the area, complicating search and rescue efforts. The Gulf Stream's influence can create a stark contrast in water temperature and salinity, contributing to unpredictable weather patterns. Moreover, the Triangle is notorious for its rapidly changing weather conditions. Sudden storms can develop without warning, creating perilous situations for vessels and aircraft alike. These storms can produce high winds, towering waves, and intense lightning, all of which pose serious threats to navigation and safety. The area has also seen instances of rogue waves, massive, unexpected waves that can tower as high as 30 meters. Such waves, often referred to as freak waves, can appear seemingly out of nowhere and can capsize even large ships in mere moments. The underwater topography of the Bermuda Triangle adds yet another layer of complexity. It features deep underwater trenches and canyons, such as the Puerto Rico Trench, one of the deepest parts of the ocean. These geological formations can create sudden and unpredictable changes in sea conditions, making it easy for vessels to be lost from view as they are dragged into the depths of the ocean. The region also has areas known as mud volcanoes, which can create gas eruptions, potentially destabilizing vessels above. Understanding these natural factors is crucial in demystifying the phenomena that have led to so many incidents in this region, reminding us of the ocean's inherent unpredictability and power. Another critical aspect of the Bermuda Triangle phenomena lies in human error. Navigating the open ocean and the skies above can be incredibly challenging, even for seasoned pilots and sailors. Factors such as miscommunication, fatigue, poor visibility, and navigational mistakes can lead to accidents. Many incidents attributed to the Bermuda Triangle can indeed be explained by human factors. Crew fatigue, mechanical failure, or a lack of experience can all contribute to tragic outcomes. For instance, during the Flight 19 incident, the lead pilot may have been disoriented and confused, leading the flight off course and into dangerous conditions. The stress of operating in a high-pressure environment can push even experienced navigators to make critical errors. Furthermore, the reliance on outdated navigation techniques prior to the advent of GPS technology played a significant role in many maritime disasters. Pilots and sailors of the past depended heavily on compasses and charts, which are inherently less precise than modern GPS systems. This lack of technological support can exacerbate the risks associated with navigation in such a dynamic environment. Understanding the role of human error is essential for clarifying the events that have taken place in this region, emphasizing the importance of ongoing training and preparedness in the face of the unpredictable nature of the sea and sky. The allure of the Bermuda Triangle lies in its mystery, but many myths can be debunked with scientific reasoning. For example, the claim that more ships disappear in the Bermuda Triangle than in any other part of the ocean is misleading. In reality, this area does not have an unusually high incidence of disappearances compared to other heavily traveled regions of the world. In fact, due to its high volume of traffic, one would expect to see more incidents occurring here simply due to sheer numbers. Additionally, many stories surrounding the triangle have been sensationalized, often omitting critical details that would clarify the incidents. The infamous Flight 19 incident, often cited as evidence of paranormal activity, was thoroughly investigated, leading to conclusions that attributed the disappearance to navigational errors and adverse weather conditions. By examining the facts surrounding these events, we can separate myth from reality, grounding the conversation in science. Furthermore, the portrayal of the Bermuda Triangle in popular media has played a significant role in perpetuating these myths. Documentaries and films often emphasize the mysterious and supernatural aspects while neglecting the logical explanations provided by scientists and researchers. This dramatization can mislead the public and detract from the seriousness of understanding maritime safety and navigation. Instead of focusing on fear, we should highlight the advancements in technology and safety protocols that have emerged in the wake of these historical incidents. In conclusion, the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle are rooted in a combination of natural phenomena and human factors. While tales of the Triangle's supernatural elements continue to capture our imagination, scientific explanations offer a clearer understanding of the events that have transpired. The Bermuda Triangle serves as a powerful reminder of nature's unpredictability and the importance of respecting the forces that govern our world. As we continue to explore and study our planet, let's celebrate the mysteries while also appreciating the knowledge that science provides. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of the Bermuda Triangle. If you found this exploration intriguing, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fascinating topics from the world around us. Together, we can unravel the secrets of our planet and venture into the vast unknown of the universe.